Go.
Hey, it's Randy, Mountain Earth Farm. All right, we're over here on another job. We're going to close in this carport. Kinda. It's going to be like halfway closed in, and this side's going to be open over here. But we're putting up all the boards where our board and batting's going to nail onto. We're going to put windows like in the middle. And then we still have to set our posts over here. But you get the gist of it. We're putting up all our stringers, and that's where the boards are going to nail to.
And this is, how old is this carport?
I don't know, but
Been a while.
it's been a while. It's pretty shaky, but it's held up.
Oh, I'm going to get around you, hun.
It's held up through all these strong winds. We're going to add to it. It's going to be a lot stronger.
Yeah.
I'm going to put 45s on the other side too and tighten it up.
And you're going to, I know it's got old roof. You're going to take the old roofing tin off and put new, it's going to have new tin. It's going to have a sliding door there in the front.
It'll look totally different when we're done.
Oh yeah. And now this is the lady's, was this her home place, her mom's home place?
Yeah.
And so Randy's working with her, trying to get her the best price, and trying to make, she does a lot of stained glass, and so on one side she wants pretty much a workshop area, and on the other side is going to be to where she can pull a vehicle in. And she loves kind of the rustic like we do. Her house is up here on the hill, but she loves the board and batting and the rough cut lumber. We kind of got tickled when we met with her last week. She said, "Now I love the the rough cut lumber. Can you do rough cut lumber?" And and Randy said, "Have you ever seen everything I do is rough cut lumber?" So I know she's happy to have it done and get it ready for spring, and I know he's going to do a good job. They're actually going to be bringing in gravel and the whole lower side. He's going to re-support. Now you're going to re-support this back side, right?
Yeah, I got to put a 4x4 in back here.
Now I meant for gravel, because I mean it's literally sloping down.
Yeah, well, it's going to have a little bit of slope to it. I mean, that's fine, but that way they can just come in here and dump gravel in. It'll fill up against the pressure treaty. I'm going to put pressure treaty across the bottom.
That's what I meant.
Is it good?
Move a little bit.
Doesn't it come up? How much is a little bit? Oh, yeah. It come up a lot. Well, move on down the board.
Oh, the board's now. That's side board. Yeah, eighth of an inch over here.
It still needs to come up.
Eighth of an inch, yeah. Drop down.
Ring shank nails. All it done is pull the nails. Pull one nail.
You're good right there.
Right there?
Yep. Good? Yes, okay.
What did he do? Get ahead of you?
Yeah. No.
He told me we was ready.
Oh boy, here we go. The ground started compressing when he walked over here. Changed the whole dimension.
It all goes back. Cannot get good help.
Hey, I think Alex is very good help.
Oh boy, thank you, Teresa.
Because if Alex is helping, then I don't have to.
Wow, is that what it is?
That's right.
Yes, you don't care. Don't get her wrong. You don't care about you.
Hey, I'll go get as many extension cords as you need and whatever.
Buy him a nail gun and he don't have it on him.
I'm just ecstatic that I'm not the one lifting those boards.
These ain't too bad.
Are they not?
Better than two with sixes was doing what he's done. Take the chainsaw. Trim them.
They can change the insulation from the reservoir on the bottom.
So this is the plan this week. He's going to be enclosing half of this carport, re-supporting the carport, putting a new roof in, and then you're also going to be doing some work up at her house too, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got some boards that just throughout the years, some bug damage and stuff, and so they're going to be repairing those.
Okay. Nothing level here.
No.
Okay, hold on.
I got. Good luck.
Don't be falling.
If you fall, Teresa will have to help.
That's right. We've got insurance, but it's not health insurance. It ain't gonna. It's to
Move that. See where that board's crowning right there? Yeah.
yeah. Our insurance is for the homeowners, not the workers.
He's got backhoe insurance.
That's right. We got
These are all
backhoe
put in
insurance.
it. Yeah, I know. It's all right. This was honest at the beginning.
Now they're on the back. She's on the backwater here, so while the rivers come up. Which lake is that it goes to?
So what?
What lake comes around? I know she's on the backwaters here.
Watch bar.
Watts Bar. Okay. Now I am going to. She's going to be doing some reclaimed windows, which I totally love. Anytime you can reclaim something, so much better.
Just going straight up this way.
I'm going to just walk around here, show you this side. At one time, there actually was power down here,
Is that big board again? Or is this another one?
but through the years, the power, they removed the power, and I think there was maybe a fire possibly at one time. So. Well, I hope everybody had a wonderful Easter. Here in East Tennessee, it was beautiful, beautiful weather, and we got beautiful weather today. Upper 60s. Very nice, very pretty. Sun's out shining. Flowers are blooming. Dogwoods are blooming. So are you going to do a window in each of these sections?
Yeah.
Now on the front and on the back.
We'll probably do it on the back when we're done. We'll probably go ahead and lock these in. That way you'll have a reference for them. 10 foot and a half inch.
This was 10 foot and half an inch. 10, 5 foot and 4.
What he's doing is blocking in for the window.
Probably go 27 and a half and 28 and make suck this one side in just a little bit. No, we use them laying down there.
So you're going to do what? Block the window now?
That way she'll see where the window is.
Okay. Now, how far over are you doing the wall versus the open way for?
Well, I'm kind of holding off on that until she gets back. She didn't want to go all the way to the middle because we went all the way to the middle, it'd cut her down on pulling in here. So I think we're going to go like 8 foot over here.
Okay.
But that ain't going to work out for the sliding door. Because whatever the sliding door is, you need to have that same amount for the runoff over here.
Right. Well, that's going to be her call.
Yep. She just wants to block off from everybody seeing in. I understand.
Right.
I don't like people knowing what I'm doing either.
And I think she's going to make shelves on 3 sides here on the inside
No,
because
we can use these down here. We don't need to do them. That's what I kept saying. I said, no, we can use them.
No, but I asked you, you said, no, I don't want that one.
Alex, you're going to have to learn how to read his spine.
Smiling.
He's not going to ever learn that.
Keep going.
Now, it's took me over 40 years to learn how to read his mind. So, good luck.
I ain't got 40 years. Not at my age. I don't have 40.
You don't want to be doing this when you're 100?
You're fine.
I hope I'm able to do this when I'm 100.
I just hope we don't have to do this when we're 100. Then it would be two old men builders.
When are you wanting it done?
I cut one board a day. I started to say, my truck's probably in her way.
Yep.
You doing all right? Good. You
I
don't
mean, to
have
have it cleaner than it did, but I have fought inner ear all
Oh,
weekend.
no.
So I come down here a little bit and I get dizzy. And
Oh,
I'm
okay,
like-
so turn that on.
Okay, well, tell you what,
oh, so sorry.
that's all right.
No, you're fine.
You're fine.
She never asked you if it's all right to film you. So.
Well, tell you what, I'm going to let Randy get to it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I may not be here tomorrow, but I know he will, so he'll do a little short tomorrow. Well, remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.